G'day everybody, well, welcome back to the update channel. This is another update. Keeping with it. Hi, I'm back in Western Australia and I would like to say that it was an awesome holiday, so thanks for all the support whilst I was away, and also all of the very decisive decision making as to what I was going to be doing whilst I'm away in the way of making a video about the trip. Now, first things first, about the trip. So, whilst I was away, I did a few things that were completely legal on my end. However, what I decided to do with the footage of that may not be legal, so I have to I gotta shoot some people some emails, so it's gonna take a little bit of time for that video to come out. It will be coming, but it'll be in a few weeks. So basically what I gotta do is I gotta edit together that portion of the video, send it off to someone and have them evaluate it and say, yes, this is fine, no, this is not fine, and here are the things that you need to change, or outright, no, you can't show any of this. In which case, I'll be very sad, but I'll just cut the entire portion and I guess move on with my life. Anyway, tomorrow will hopefully be Sunday and I'll have another video out hopefully by then, either Sunday or Monday. I'll take a few all-nighters if I have to get that video out. But that video was something that I was meant to get done before I left, but it didn't because I'm not good at planning. Also, tomorrow is also Sunday, which I've already mentioned. So that means that on Sunday, I will be going to the Perth Woodworking Show. So if you guys are going to be around and you want to come to the Perth Woodworking Show and this amount of money here is weighing down your pockets, that's right, come in and say hi. But yeah, it's at Claremont Showgrounds. If you're not into woodworking, there's also a craft side. I'm more or less just going there for the woodworking stuff because occasionally they have new stuff and it looks so good. I can't afford any of it, but it looks so good. I also know that a few of you may not be into woodworking and may more so be into knife making as well as blacksmithing, but it's always fun to incorporate a little bit of blacksmithing into and woodworking into the same project. So if you're into that sort of thing, there's always really nice timber at the Perth Woodworking Show, and quite often you'll find big bins of it. There'll just be offcuts and stuff like that, but I find a lot of knife handle material on that, and it is usually really good quality stuff. It's obviously probably not stabilized unless otherwise stated, but you know, if you're just looking for decent quality timber, that's where to go. Really good offcuts for for scrap pricing, essentially. So if you're looking for knife handling materials, please don't steal all of it. I would like some. Perth Woodworking Show, place to go. But yeah, anyway, have fun. I'll catch you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers. Ah, crap. Spilled my coffee.